How to install CarStream on Android Auto to watch YouTube. So first of all, you're gonna go to your preferred browser and download your Android Auto, which we already have here, but we're gonna show you where to download it. So search for AAAD APK and go to GitHub since that's where the official files are. So here we will be able to download our Android Auto apps downloader. So this third-party app will be able to download the CarStream itself directly in the app itself. So once you're here, go ahead to scroll down over here so that you can go to the downloads. So go to download over here. Then what you're gonna do here is just check out the versions you prefer. Maybe you want the latest one or maybe an older version. So just go ahead and choose whichever and make sure you press on the assets over here and press on release APK. Then it should directly download to your device. Once you have it, go ahead and install the APK and then you will have the AAD app over here. So just go ahead and open the Android Auto. Then you can skip all of this if you'd like. But in our case, we're just going to go ahead and press on next and whatnot. But just go ahead and finish the setup. Once it's done, it will show you a lot of things you can go ahead and install. But in the very top should be the CarStream. There's going to be a few versions you could try, but it's in the multimedia. So if you'd like, again, you can go ahead and install the latest version. So go ahead and press on the install button to whatever CarStream version you'd like. So in our case, we're going to press on the CarStream 2.05. You can also allow this, which is allowed installation from other apps. Then it's gonna load or make you wait for 10 seconds. But just go ahead and toggle the check button and press on OK and then go back to the app itself. So again, I'll go back to your AAD and just press on install on the CarStream version that you like and then press on OK. Finally, just go ahead and open up the CarStream inside your AAAD and it should just automatically open up to your YouTube. But that is technically how you install CarStream on your Android Auto and your mobile device. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.